In Jamaica, new legislation has now taken effect to regulate firearms in the country. The Firearms Prohibition, Restriction and Regulation Act 2022 enforces a range of stiffer gun laws and penalties in an effort to address rampant gun crime.
Effective today, the 1st of November, they appointed their notice. It was gazetted for the Firearms Prohibition, Restriction, Regulation, Firearms Act 2022. As of today, anyone apprehended and charged by any of the identified criminal breaches under this act will now be subject to a new range of penalties dealing with prohibited weapons, that is, ranging from 15 years to life imprisonment.
During an address to his colleagues in Jamaica's House of Representatives, National Security Minister Horace Chang used the opportunity to announce a companion resolution that would give effect to a temporary reprieve from prosecutions for possession of unregistered firearms.
This amnesty would allow persons who may be in possession of a legal firearm or unregistered firearm or ammunition, or those for which no license or authority exists, opportunity to surrender these firearms or ammunition to the state without the fear of prosecution. Essentially, in summary, Madam Speaker, this is someone who may have a firearm, an illegal firearm, with no criminal intent, that is, may surrender it during the specified time. It's not just a criminal changing of mind. There are individuals who may have inherited a firearm, from grandfather, uncle, or otherwise. They have had it locked in a safe and just not paying attention to it. Another person may have just decided not using the firearm again, and rather than storing it, get rid of it to a place safe. They have it locked away safely. That will now become an illegal firearm after this. And though it was registered at one stage, they might not be subject to the same debate. It will be treated quite seriously.
This amnesty is carded to run from Saturday, November 5th until midnight on Saturday, November 19th, 2022. Chang, who serves as Deputy Prime Minister, appealed to those who were in possession of firearms but lacked criminal intent to take advantage of the amnesty to avoid possible prosecution at a later date. As soon as the amnesty expires on November 19th, anyone found with an illegal firearm, regardless of whether it was inherited or obtained without criminal intention, will not be spared the brunt of the new, heavily punitive Firearms Act. Anyone wishing to make use of the amnesty is asked to either contact police, visit the nearest police station, or seek the advice of an attorney.